If you want to permanently add subtitles to your video, HandBrake makes it simple. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to burn in subtitles so the text is permanently painted onto the video itself. That means viewers can't turn them off, which is perfect for social media, mobile playback, or devices that don't support separate subtitle files. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Now let's get started. First, open HandBrake on your computer. Once it launches, load the video you want to work on by selecting your source file. You can drag and drop the video into HandBrake or click to browse and open it manually. After the video is loaded, give HandBrake a moment to analyze the file and prepare the settings. Now look at the row of tabs across the top and click on the Subtitles tab. This is where HandBrake lets you manage subtitle tracks for your video. If your source video already contains subtitles, you should see the track listed there automatically. In that case, all you need to do is choose the subtitle track you want to use. If you want to add an external subtitle file instead, click Tracks and then choose Import Subtitle. From there, browse to the subtitle file on your computer and select it. HandBrake supports common subtitle formats like .srt and .ass, so make sure your file is in one of those formats before importing it. Once your subtitle track is in place, find the burn-in option next to that track and check the box. This is the most important step because burning in subtitles means they become part of the actual video image. Unlike soft subtitles, these subtitles will always appear on the screen during playback, no matter what device or app someone uses. Before you move on, take a quick look to make sure the correct subtitle track is selected and that you only enabled burn-in for the track you actually want to use. This helps avoid accidentally encoding the wrong subtitle file or adding multiple subtitle layers to your video. After that, go ahead and configure any other settings you want, such as the format, quality, or output location. When everything looks good, click Start Encode to begin the process. HandBrake will now process your video and permanently embed the subtitles into the frames as it exports the final file. Depending on the length of your video and the speed of your computer, the encoding process may take a little while. Once it finishes, open the exported video and play it back to confirm the subtitles are visible and correctly timed. If everything looks right, you're done. And that's how to burn in subtitles in HandBrake the easy way. It's a great workflow when you need subtitles that stay visible everywhere, especially for reels, shorts, social clips, training videos, or any video meant for broad compatibility. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.